Greetings in the name of Jesus of Nazareth, Yeshua HaMashiach. My name is Lucy Karen Clay, and I am a Sanctity of Life advocate. Contacting you today regarding an urgent plea about a Senate bill that is just now in the hands of 23 federal senators. It is in a special help session to be voted upon any time. And it is a dangerous, deadly bill and potentially could affect every one of you. So it's regarding health care. The details will be explained at this link, but I do believe that it's important that everyone knows about this bill because it looks innocent. It is explained, the bill looks like it's just about training for palliative care and hospice, and in reality it is a very quick step towards legalizing euthanasia in this country. So please check this link and you will be able to contact these senators immediately and oppose Senate Bill 693. Your voice is needed now because this vote can take place any day. It is a federal bill, and again, my name is Lucy Karen Clay, and I work with pro-life groups around the country, and all of our links and research is available, and thank you so much.